Who was the first Sultan of Delhi to introduce the practice of Sijda? Balban. Where is the headquarters of International Olympic Committee? At Lausanne, Switzerland. To whom the Vice President's letter of resignation is to be addressed? President. What is the surface of Earth that lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn? Torrid zone. In which type of climate does the temperature never rise above 10 degrees Celsius throughout the year? Tundra climate. Where do the earthquakes rarely occur? Brazil. The United Nations declared 2014 as which international year? Crystallography. What is called a banker's cheque? Demand draft. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Lord Chelmsford. If the atmosphere is cooled, what is its capacity for water vapor? Lowered. The filament of an electric bulb is made of which metal? Tungsten. Which UN agency has its headquarters at Paris? UNESCO. Most of the plants obtain nitrogen from the soil in which from? Nitrates. Which gland is both exo and endocrine gland? Pancreas. Which country stood second in the 1992 Barcelona Olympics medal tally? US. Which worm reach into intestine of human by eating leaf? Tapeworm. The world-famous Khajuraho sculptures are located in which state? Madhya Pradesh, India. The equator cuts through which island? Borneo. Where are the traces of Portuguese culture found in India? Goa. How must be the lines of force of a uniform magnetic field? Parallel to each other. Which branch of science deals with the study of tissue found in the body of organism? Histology. In which year did the first modem Olympic Games take place? 1896. Which fuel causes minimum environmental pollution? Hydrogen. Which hydrocarbon is mainly present in gobar gas? Cooperation. Lichens and mosses are characteristic vegetation of which zone? The polar zone.